Jeff or Jared, either one of you.
Jeff and Jared.
Wait, who I got a key?
You got me.
Okay.
So I shout out a situation. Anyway, we're doing sound effects for those of you scoring at home. And we got...
Oh, okay. Chuck is Santa Claus, and Kerilin's his elf, help preparing for Christmas.
Oh! You can tell that the Subway diet has done wonders for me. Anyways, I've decided this year to air a commercial to establish the credibility of Christmas. And here to help me is my elf. You're throwing away all the gifts. Okay,
Christmas is over.
Listen, hold on. I know that you're blind and you recently lost your vocal cords when we accidentally ran you over with that, but the thing is, we have to spread Christmas cheer, and this commercial is the only surefire way to do so. Alright, now, gotta make sure this is filming and at a good angle. Okay, we are good. Ah! Why did you leave that there?
Lift?
You know, you're more competent than any other blind elf I've seen. You even have the Stevie Wonder wink to go along with that.
Wink.
Anyways, we're going to open this present up. This is a gift to every child in the world right now vicariously. I'm going to open it! Alright. Undo this pretty ribbon. He's going to undo this pretty ribbon seamlessly. Open the first lid of the box. Open the second lid of the box. And it's a giant, wacky, inflatable arm flailing tube man. That's right. Apparently, we have our big, wacky, waving, inflatable arm flailing tube man and my elf who likes to act like one. Why is it so symbolic of Christmas, you might ask? Very, very simple. Because wailing your arms around on Christmas morning is what little kids do. They trip upon themselves to get to the Christmas trees, and when you see the Christmas tree, you almost want to crawl over there because you've lost all function in your legs. And that is the true meaning of Christmas, boys and girls. Commercialism and wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube men. Ho, ho, ho. My gosh, speaks and sings.